Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your new television. First, let's get started with unboxing. Carefully remove your television from its packaging, ensuring you keep all accessories like the remote control, power cord, and stand components. Always check the box contents against the included packing list to confirm everything is present. Then, decide on your placement, either on a sturdy stand or prepare for wall mounting. Now let's connect your devices. Begin by securely plugging the power cord into the television and then into a working wall outlet. Next, connect your various input devices. For example, you might connect a cable box, a streaming stick, or a gaming console. Always use high-quality HDMI cables for optimal audio and video transmission, ensuring a crisp picture and clear sound from your new television. With your devices connected, it's time for the initial setup. Power on your television and follow the guided on-screen instructions. You'll typically be prompted to select your language, country, and time zone. Crucially, connect your television to your home's Wi-Fi network. This step enables all smart features, allowing you to access streaming apps and receive software updates seamlessly. Finally, let's optimize your viewing and listening experience. Navigate to the picture settings menu to fine-tune elements like brightness, contrast, and color saturation. Experiment with different picture modes, such as vivid or cinema, to find what suits you best. Similarly, explore the sound settings, choosing modes like movie or music. For truly immersive audio, consider connecting an external soundbar or home theater system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.